on a cheat night and I'm just enjoying it.
Oh, hi there, everyone. I'm your girl, Norleen. It's Sunday morning in the kitchen. Join me as I take you on another of Jamaica's finest cooking experience. Today, I will be preparing steak and fries for you. To a wash and clean steak, I will add powdered season. And my featured season today is stir fry sauce. The information will be in the description box. The stir fry sauce not only add color but also flavor, and so I'll put my steak away to marinate. Onto my sweet potato fries, I will peel my sweet potato. It's a large sweet potato, and then I will cut them in elongated thin pieces, and I will try my best to make my fries as even as possible. I will soak them for about 10 minutes in salt and lemon water, and then drain and season with garlic salt and a drizzle of virginola oil. Fry this on high heat until golden brown. So guys, I'm moving on to my steak. So I have about a tablespoon of butter, and I melt the butter and then add my steak. Cover this for about 2 minutes with a heavy lid, and then turn your steak to the other side for it to get color. Guys, I'm gonna cover it again and allow it to cook on the other side for 2 minutes. Then I add all the season that was in the pan, and again I'm gonna cover it for about 4 minutes and then turn it over, cover it again for an additional 4 minutes. Guys, my fries are doing good. I like how they're looking. They're getting nice golden brown, so I'll remove it from the oil. They're looking so cute. So 4 minutes has elapsed, and so I'm gonna turn it over for an additional 4 minutes, and then my steak is all done. This is absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to get into this, people. So guys, there it is. Another of my ingredients from my pot onto my daughter's table. Guys, I know on a mouth of water. I can't wait for getting at this. Alright, my people. So, I'm going to go in for the kill right here now. See it there? See it there, people? Get ready. And trust me, I'm going in it. Really, I'm going to mash it up. Yup, I haven't had this in quite a while. So, I'm going to tell you, I'm going to mash it up, people. I'm going to mash it up big time. Got my fries. You're not going to hear the crunch. See there? Fries are good. Yeah. You get a nice sweet potato taste. And you get that garlic salt flavor with them. And it creates just the right kind of balance for the meal. More steak. This is for heavenly. Okay guys, I'm gonna give you a close-up of what's going on my plate. I have to make you see this awesomeness. Look at this steak, how it's juicy, people. Come back every time we eat it. My steak nice, soft. You get that right amount of flavor from the seasoning in the steak. You get just that right amount of flavor. I didn't put any salt in my season because my season are not low sodium season. So oftentimes I do not cook with salt. So I get the right balance of salt and the right balance of flavor from the onion and the sweet pepper and from the blended season.
on a cheat night and I'm just enjoying it. Steak, sweet potato fries with tomato slices and onion and bell pepper garnishing it. All this other thing.
I encourage you guys, please, to give me the thumbs up. Like this video. Leave a comment in the section below. Turn on your post notification bell so as soon as I upload a video, you will be informed. Remember, share this channel with your friends. Let them know of food we prepare. Come on, guys. Come, get your share. Thank you so much, guys.